Sonic Fan 1991 here, and today we are going to be doing a bike check, something new and something different, because I have nothing to do, or nothing interesting to make a video on. Let's do this. This is my 2000, I don't know, Deka custom, and so let's start with the grips. ODI long necks, with ODI, it's upside down, but ODI, bar ends. We have We the People handlebars. Don't know which We the People handlebars these are, but they're nice and long. I don't know how wide they are. Anyways, or I don't know what the rise are. But we have a Sunday freeze stem. It's Freeza, not free, just so you don't get mixed up. It's a good stem. It's pretty cheap. Was $45. We have a McNeil seat. And a McNeil seat post. Oh, I almost made the bike fall. A DK frame. I just polished it, so it looks nice and clean. I'm not done polishing it though. I should have kept going. DK cranks, DK pedals. I'm probably gonna replace. DK cog, Haro tires, DK rim, DK forks, Haro tires. DK rim here, DK sprocket, and DK lever, original DK spacers. Yeah, that's all about this bike. It's a great bike, not too heavy, not too light. It's decent, and I love it. Went to the skate park they just built here so much times on this bike, and I love it so much. So let us go through this again. ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends, We the People handlebars, Sunday freeze stem, McNeil seat, McNeil seat post. Yeah. Those are the things that are custom on my bike. The Haro tires, well. So, if you want to get some cheap things, go to Harvest BMX. Harvest Bikes. I say Harvest BMX because the only thing they like to sell is Harvest. What? The only thing they sell is pretty much BMX because I'm too lazy to go down there and you know, I'll just zoom in on it. So here it is. A Deka. Great bike. I'm gonna probably like get a JDM sticker if you don't know what it is. I'm gonna probably like put it up on the screen right now. Yeah, that's what it is. Looks pretty cool. Probably gonna replace it for the DK sign because that's actually pretty annoying. So I will see you guys in the next video. Just thinking if I forgot anything. No, don't think I forgot anything. See you guys later. Peace.